All right, hello. The next digital resource that I chose to talk about is called Remind. So, why I chose this particular resource? It's a form of way to communicate with students. I have an app called Talking Points that I use to communicate with parents. However, it would be nice for me to be able to communicate information to students in a sort of text messaging system, just like I do with parents, but with students. I'm oftentimes like wanting to tell something to a student. They're not always checking their emails, and then I have to look up who their teacher is and find out what class they're in. So I feel like this would just be an easier way to communicate information to students, and it'll just go directly to their phones. The purpose of it is in order to communicate more easily with students. You can do that by instant messaging, sharing photos, handouts, flyers, any information that's going on within my classroom or the building. And it also translates any of the text messages for them. My intended students would be my students. The intended audience would be my students. And two ICT standards covered would be 2.2 leader. Educators seek out opportunities for leadership to support students' empowerment and success and to improve teaching and learning. And then also 2.6 facilitator. Educators facilitate learning with technology to support students' achievement of the ICT standards for students. So how to create this? So first you obviously got to make your account, sign up for free. I've already done that. But then it would take me to here. So first what you're seeing as like, all conversations, add a message, add a class. So first I have to create a class. So class name, Blanco code. You can either use what they give you or make a new one. Let's say I want to say Blanco 1, 2, 3. And let's say I'm affiliated with a school. Right now I'm gonna put not affiliated, so I will only message to people 13 or over. Right. Oh, this class code has been taken. Okay, 10, 12. How about that? Oh, could only be deck. Great. So then I now have my class. So I can send a message to people. Um, add people through here. So my students that I want, I would just add them. So I can put their name. Let's say Bob. There's no phone number, so it'll go to him. Just put a number in. And then I can add an email if I would like, or a secondary phone. So then people. Oops, 1, 2, 3. Obviously, I don't know above, so go back. So this just once I have my students in, I can add a message. So I can say to my class, continue. Hey, don't forget about your assignment due tonight. And I would just send it. Sorry, that's my cat. So then I would just send it by clicking on the send, and then it would send that message. That way, it'll instantly go to my students' phones, and that way they're able to see my message and to help me get maintain connected with them. Thank you for listening.